Here we go, HOBBYBOX604 back on doing a break on another Sunday. It's Sunday, September 21st. We are doing our first break of the night. We started with our single box break of 2014 Topps Finest. This is group break 92. New product that just came out. We had another divisional football and we got it filled. $17 per division. Here we go. 2 mini boxes there. Empty box. Good luck, guys. Okay, mini box 1. Let's pull a monster. Yes, sir, it is. Nice looking base cards. Cam Newton, nice base card. I think this is this is a insert fantasy finest of Danny Amendola for the Patriots. Not numbered. And a rookie card of Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. Joe Flacco, Rob Gronkowski, Eddie Lacy. I think this is I think that's Eddie Lacy parallel. And Khalil Mack for the Raiders, rookie card. Whoever has Raiders and would like to give that card up, that will be very nice of them. I will definitely send them something else for their PC. So if they want to give that Khalil Mack up, let me know. Zach Ertz, Michael Crabtree, EJ Manuel. Teddy Bridgewater, rookie, I don't know what you call these, but refractor, I guess. Teddy Bridgewater for the Minnesota Vikings. And a Zach Mettenberger for the Tennessee Titans, rookie, X Factor. Thank you. X Factor for the Vikings. Matt Forte, Julian Edelman. We have another insert. This is for the Chargers of Danny Woodhead. Danny Woodhead. These are nice looking cards, guys. Like it. Alfred Morris. This is the Prism version, I guess, that will be sent. And Charles Sims for the Buccaneers. Brandon, you had the division with the Vikings. Good for you if you did. Deshaun Jackson, Navarro Bowman. And we have a die cut rookie of CJ. Sorry, can't say the last name. But it is for the Houston Texans. CJ, I don't know your last name. For the Bears, rookie of Kadeem Carey. And for the Cardinals, rookie of Logan Thomas. Ooh, this is our hit, I guess. Pretty thick. That's definitely our hit. Troy Polamalu, T.Y. Hilton. For the Buccaneers, rookie Prism of Charles Sims, number 1 of 25. Refractor of Charles Sims for the Buccaneers. And a rookie of Martavis Bryant for the Steelers. And our hit is nice. That is, I assume, is a rookie patch auto for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers of Austin Seferian Jenkins. Nice 2-color patch. He's numbered. Wow, not even numbered. But that's a nice looking card. So that was mini box 1. Not bad. Mini box 2. Empty. Alfred Morris, Eddie Lacy, and we hit our hit right away for the Seattle Seahawks, number 57 of 99, Paul Richardson, rookie jersey auto For the Seahawks, Paul Richardson, 57 of 99. Anthony Barr, rookie for the Vikings. And Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. I will show the hits player slayer right after I do the whole thing. Don't worry. Antonio Brown, Tavon Austin. Nice die cut of Kelvin Benjamin for the Carolina Panthers. These are nice looking cards for the Panthers. Darqueze Dennard for the Bengals, rookie. And Taj Boyd for the Jets, rookie. I like this stuff. Very nice looking, sharp looking cards. Julio Jones, Adrian Peterson. Sad about what happened to this guy. Nick Foles, refractor of Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. And a Trey Mason for the Rams, rookie. Monty Ball, AJ Green, Luke Kuechly. X-Factor of Reggie Bush for the Detroit Lions. And a rookie of Kelvin Benjamin for the Panthers. Pierre Garçon or Garcion. Drew Brees, Aaron Rodgers, refractor of Peyton Manning for the Broncos. And Aaron Murray, rookie for the Chiefs. And our last pack of the break. Le'Veon Bell, Richard Sherman, Vincent Jackson. Insert for the Patriots of Julian Edelman and a rookie of Jared Abradris. Sorry. For the Green Bay Packers. Very nice looking product. Thanks for watching. We'll be back shortly.